has insane rules for her new boyfriend. The singer is 37 years older than her Jamaican partner, and she is very strict with him. He must always go to bed and wake up at the same time as her, follow the same diet as her. He is forbidden from watching TV, and Madonna is not very happy when he uses his phone. As a reward for following these rules, the icon is buying him anything he wants, and they travel to the best places.
So Madonna find herself a Jamaican toy boy. Yes, Jamaican men always winning. This is another win for Jamaican men. Big ups to Akeem Morris, if I that your name. Me say a Portmore you come from. Big up. Gaza, Vibes Cartel. This is an upgrade from where Jamaican men usually go for. It's usually the women, put it politely, the foreign women that, you know, their own men don't want. Yeah, Akeem, you are set the blueprint for other young Jamaican man to come follow you and find themselves a old diva like Madonna. Who wouldn't want to be with Madonna? I mean, yeah, she was 37 years older than him, you know, old enough to be him grandmother. Who would turn down Madonna, of all people? Madonna up there with the Michael Jackson and the Tupac and Vibes Cartel and Bob Marley. Akeem, you struck gold, my friend. You found yourself a big old pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. But you better remain obedient to this woman, because she wants you to have the same diet as she, go to bed the same time as she. You can't watch no TV for some reason. Why you can't watch no TV? You can't even dep on your phone. Why if you want to call your mother? Madonna not even want you to call your mother. My G. She don't want you to call your mother. Madonna knows that Jamaican men always have side woman, you know. So she'll make sure say you don't have no side woman. She'll make sure say, I bet you she even make sure say your phone tap. She'll monitor your phone. She have an app on her phone where she can monitor your calls them, which apps you go on, who you are text, who are your baby mother, everything. This woman have her vice grip on you. But it's okay, my G. It come with good perks. She say, as long as you remain obedient to her, she will buy you anything where you want. Yep. Original sugar mama talk. Best upgrade. So I'll get to youths in Jamaica. Follow Akeem example.
You see what me I tell you now? Jamaican man. Stop for small up on no thing. We are the blood clot price. Stop for settle for some blood clot frownsy foreigner girl with big and overweight and shape bad. And no man no want them within there. Big up that general yeah. Big up Akeem. If you go pick up foreigner girl, no pick up no blood clot pop down girl. We no no credit or not even no house. You understand? Foreign girl, if you have things when them a look Jamaican man. Big up that general yeah. See it there? Even blood clot Madonna. No say Jamaican steel is second to none. Even Madonna have to come get herself a Jamaican steel. Could they? Big up yourself, my general. At least you have blood clot ambition compared to them. Where you pick up them big barrel looking hippopotamus blood clot girl. I walk around with it and I go like say a prize. If you not go date foreigner, they sit in academia. Madonna.
But through the DJ talk still, I mean, him get the best sugar mama there can be in the world. Madonna of all people. Who would I say no to Madonna? Well, would I say no to Madonna? Madonna can't put me on curfew. Me a big man. Even though she old enough to be my granny. If me, there with Madonna. If a Jamaican man like me, there with Madonna. Who she think she'll put on curfew? You must say mad. Me take some more money around. However, big up to Akeem, Portmore, Gaza. Yeah man, will if I get to you now I go follow your example. You are set the trend for young Jamaican men. For old woman, come to Jamaica and take on come a foreign. Yeah man. Green card sweet.
Yeah boy.
But yeah man, this is a general here. Him really strike goal. I mean, Madonna of all people. Go give him a round of applause yeah man. I tell you, Jamaican man, a trendsetter. Jamaica we little, but we talawa. General, you have to be obedient. Forget what you want out of Madonna. If not, she not give you nothing. So make sure so you remain obedient so you can build at least 5 houses of Jamaica and rent them out and keep one for yourself. So that if you and Madonna break up, you don't have your 5 houses in Jamaica. You can have house of foreign. Make Madonna buy you some house of foreign, 2 houses of foreign, and you build 5 houses of Jamaica. You not even have to build house of Jamaica, you can buy them at Jamaica. Remember say Madonna you're there with. So anything you want, if you rub her the right way, you'll get it. Anyway, Sir Boss vlogs and reviews. Like, comment and subscribe. Definitely left your thoughts and opinions in the comment section about Madonna and her Jamaican toy boy. Till next time, peace.